title and how to apply the title as well as heading and how to align it to center. Okay. And then the text color currently it is black. If you are all using the same background color, if you're following the same color and everything as it is, so you can change accordingly. I'm changing this to white, text color to white. Okay, the title text color to white. So now you can see there is a text, but it is not visible. Okay, we know that it is white. Now there is one option, background color. I can make it as black. Now the text color is white. Background color for this text is black. Then if you are coming down, if you close this title, so in the title, again I'm showing you in the title, I just updated total employees. This is the heading 3. We can change it to 2 or normal according to our requirement. Font, I use Sego UI, and then size we have to 14. Bold, text color is white, background color is black, and center alignment. Now I will be closing this. I'll closing this title I'm in general tab still. I'm general tab, closing title. Open this effects, and in the background color, you can see it is white still. Now I used it as black. So in the effects, please change this color to black. Okay, after changing this color to black, that 100 number, the value which we have, it will not show. That's not an issue. Now what I want to do is now go to visual border, turn it on. Okay, visual border, and give it a white color, and rounded corners you can make it as something like 14. Yeah, this is fine, 14 pixel. And the shadow also you have to turn it on, shadow, and here also you take white color, and this is outside. I'm fine with this. Yeah, just do these changes. So I change what I change, background color from the effects. I change background color, and then I change visual border and shadow. Okay, so what is the effect here? The first one is the background color, which is the effect applied on visual, and the visual border. So there will be one border around it. You can see now there is some white border, white color border. You can see if I click here. Now again, if I go to the general tab, effects, now this border. Okay, and if you want to make little more viewable, I can increase the pixel size, sorry, width size of that line. You can see now around it, you will see now the thickest border. Okay, so this is because now we have changed the width size here in the visual border. Okay, visual border, I have selected 3 pixels, and for the shadow we selected white, and this is outside, which the shadow will look outside. Okay, and also we said bottom right, that's why it says bottom as well as right side of the visual. That's the reason we said bottom right. Okay, now we are still having a problem with this data, that is 100. So what we can do now, go to visual tab. If you are all okay with this, I will move to the other topic here. Go to visual tab, call out value. You can see here the color should be white, and the size we can just decrease the size, and also we can use again this one, Seco UI. Okay, and again we can make it as, yeah, this is fine. Okay, now also we can just decrease this.
Sorry, Mr. Mahmood,
Yeah,
I have to shut down
Mm.
and restart the PC. So I may
Yeah,
be offline just for a few minutes.
no problem. Okay,
Thank
then
you.
it's okay. We will wait for 2 minutes if you want.
No, no, you can continue. That's not a
Okay,
problem.
then.
I can catch
All
up
right.
because it's recording, right? So that's not a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, yeah.
I
This
don't
is
want
in
to
recording.
trouble the other ones.
All right, perfect. Okay, then. Thank you. Yeah, no issues. You can restart. Right. Okay. So fine. So here we have now the total employees, which are 100. Please do the same. Now, if you have completed this one, if it looks similar, then we are done with the first visual. Just update me if you all have done the same. If not, if you want to see the visual back, any settings if you want. This is for call out visual. This is for the number, okay? For the number. The number of employees, that what number it is showing, it will be in a call out value. Okay, this is color and display units. If you want, you can prepare the units, but we have to go with the auto or we can take none because it's a number, right? Number of employees will never have a decimal number, right? So it's okay. Now let's take the color here. So I will not take this, I'll take auto. Okay, so that when we are using this style in any other visual, that time this will affect. Okay, all right. So take here color, and then if you are okay with this, in general, what I did, again, I'm showing you in the title, I changed the title of the employee and then heading, then the text color, background color. Okay. Even now this time, suppose see when I'm changing this background color because this is a panel where the text is applied, right? So after changing that one also, this is not affected. So we have to apply this background color. And if you need any subtitle, you can keep it. If you want divider between total employees and 100, you can even turn on this and you can use the separator. You can see now in between there is a separator, okay, but it doesn't look good, okay, so we don't want it. So in this way we can arrange the first visual. I hope you all have done this one. Now, what I need is this visual, whatever we have done, I want to copy this visual for more other data items. For that, I will not create again. What I can do, select this, Control C. Okay, generally we know this Control C, Control V, copy paste, right? Control C and Control V for 4 times. One, two, three, and four. Okay, now what I can do, I can move it, I can arrange it aside here like this. This is one, this is two, this is three. Okay, let me move it here. This is three, and we need one more four here. So this is four. Okay, so now they are looking very big, right? So what I need is I want to change the sizes. Okay. Okay, I think we have to adjust the size of the first one. Let me go here. Call out value. I can give something like 20 is fine for me. Okay. Now total employees title. Also, I think we can take this one to heading 4. Okay, it's not changing. Normal. Okay, fine. So let's do one thing. Heading 2 is fine. So we can change the size. Let's say 12. Yeah. Now let's adjust this. Okay. So here one more thing. If I go to properties, we can adjust from here also. This is for height. You can see now it is changing there. This is for height and this is for width. Okay. So this is for width. Okay. So need 160, 162. Okay. This is fine. 80 and 162. Okay. Now what I'm doing, please see here. I select this format painter and I click on this. Okay. Now if you observe, this is adjusting according to this one, right? So you can do one by one. If not, better do one thing, delete these four which we have took before and just take this copy again, paste this one for 4 times and just move it. So this is second, third, and then it is fourth. Okay. And suppose, for example, I will be selecting all of them at once and go to general. See, I selected all of them and I'll go to properties width. I increase this one to, for example, 170. Now see, this action is applied to everyone. Okay. So if you have a issue like I can't change one by one, you can select all at once and also you can apply the changes. Okay. Now this is height. We can even change it. So now you can see all of them are affecting at the same time. Correct. So this one I can make it as 175. I think this is fine. Yeah, more than, yeah, okay. Now let's arrange it little, okay, this is fine. Okay, now this looks fine. Okay, please do the same. Check your screens, you have the same result. And if you don't want the borders, what I have to do? Select all of them, hold the control key, select all of them. And again, you can go to the visual, general, effects. Now you can see in a visual border, if I don't want, I can turn it off. The visual borders will be off. Okay, so this is how you can do. Means if you have anything that you want to apply immediately on that, you can do that one also. Okay, so like this we can do. So visual border. Okay, let me take this one and I want the rounded corners. I don't want that much pixels, so I will take here rounded corners. I want to apply this one for same for all. Okay. So I can take this. Okay, 16 pixels. Okay, I think this is fine. Style, how you want to modify the style is your choice. How you want to keep it, you can do it. Turn off, turn on. Okay, fine. So you can keep it until 15 pixels. Okay. Still it has a issue. Why? General effects. The border is on. Okay. So this is 2 pixels and here it has 3 pixels. So I have to change this one to 3 pixels. 2 pixels. Okay, fine. I think now they are all look good and they are fine. If you check it out, now all 5 items on my screen are good. So I'm selecting the second visual and you can see here there are total employees. Now I want to use this visual for active employees. We have already calculated the measure column. Just drag and drop. So you will get here what? Active employees. So how to change the heading? Go to visual, general, title, and here in the place of total, you will keep active. Please do this. Okay, this is active employees. Now I need the same for left employees. I'm doing directly. You all can do accordingly. Now again, general, title. This is a similar one. So you need not to worry about doing one by one. Okay, so then the fourth one will be the department. So I'll close this. I'll select the department here. Okay, so you will see here finance, but I want to see the number that I will show you how to do. So this title will be what? Departments. Departments. Okay, departments. How many departments we have? That will be showing here. Now the next one, I want to show the attrition rate. So I will drag here attrition rate and I will put it into fields. Now here I'll go to the visual, general and title. Then we'll change this attrition rate. Okay. So please do this one. This is a decimal number percentage. Okay. And I need to give here two zeros. Okay. Something two zeros also fine for me. Okay. Now this is an attrition rate. Okay. Okay. Right. So what I did for the attrition rate, first you do this all, add them all, and then let me know if you have completed. And today I will be sharing that another dashboard to you all. Okay, that is also one of the HR board. So please work on that, and you can show me in the next session. If you have any queries, we will see that.
Could you show how you got the percentage?
Oh yeah. So if you select this one, sorry, select this attrition rate here. You
Mm-hmm.
change the format to percentage on top here. Select attrition rate here, format percentage, and here you can give one number of zeros. Select attrition rate at right side. I mean the data you have to select attrition rate. Okay, and here format, make it as percentage. So the example which I will give you will be the HR analytics dashboard. Okay, so in that you will calculate the KPIs and all. I will be sharing that with you. So and also the steps I will give you. So try to work on it. Okay, this one done.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you all have done, then we can move to one more the change in the departments. You see now fields we have here first department. What you do, click here and select count distinct. Count distinct. So how many departments we have? 5 departments. All of you done? If it is completed, then you have to take a text to box from here. If you want to take from here, you can click on insert a tab. Insert a tab. You have the option here, text to box. Click on the text to box. Okay. You should select outside, then click on text to box. So you will get this window. And you will type here HR attrition dashboard and select this text from this and just make it a good size. Okay. Then center line and make it bold. You can apply some color to the text. Let me take which color. Okay, I'll take white only. And in the background, okay, in the background color, I want to apply yeah. Okay, let's do one thing. For instance, we'll keep the text color as black only. Later I can change. I can change from where? After selecting this, you see format text box in the effects. First I will change the background. Okay. Then I will change the text. So the text will be white. HR attrition dashboard. So when you select this, this is a text to box. Okay. Remember text to box, insert tab, text to box. Now this is your HR attrition dashboard text box. Okay. Now when I minimize this, let's take this and I can move it. Just drag, sorry, just click here, drag this. Okay, right. Okay, drag this and keep a side somewhere here and you can arrange it properly. And I want this one to be on same size. So the text size we have to reduce 18. Okay. Okay, effects. Yeah, this is fine. So this is HR attrition dashboard. And for this, if you want to apply any other colors, you can apply. That's your choice. Padding, you all know, I hope. This will arrange the spaces, okay? Like it is a left space. Okay, it is moving to the left. I want this one to the complete left. Okay, this is okay, I think. Center, this is fine. Okay. You all done? Attrition dashboard is completed, the first screen.
If I want to change the background color for attrition dashboard,
Okay,
I clicked on that and then I
go
went
to
to
general
yeah,
effects.
effects. Oh,
Effects.
okay. Okay.
Okay,
I had
then
gone to title thinking that it's title.
no, title, effects,
Okay.
effects.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will take a clustered bar chart. Okay, I'm clicking outside here. And I'm taking here clustered bar chart. Okay, this is a clustered bar chart. Here I can arrange it properly first. Done. Clustered bar chart. You have to add it here. Now, as soon as we add it here, you will get here x-axis, y-axis. So what we want to show here, that is what we are going to decide now. So let's take the departments on x-axis. Okay, what I got. Okay, I'll take this one on y-axis. Okay, departments, I'll got it. Then I want to put it here like total employees in each department. Okay, so department I received and total employees I received. Now, if you all did this one, we will move to other one. If you have done this one, now the style of this is different, right? When compared to the above one. So how to apply? You will select the first card, clicking on Format Painter, and you will just click on this visual. You see now automatically this has arranged. If you remember this, so click on Total Employees, select Format Painter, click on this. Automatically that design will be applied. But the look and feel is not same, right? Then go to Format Visual. Now I have to use the properties from here and I have to change them. How the look and feel of this one should be same for marketing and all those things. Okay. So y-axis, the color, I will put it white. You can see white color. Automatically they are white now. I'll put it bold. The same way, now go to x-axis. Now let's say there is values. Again the color. Okay. Now you can see the colors and it is also fine. Please do the same thing. X-axis in a visual, x-axis and y-axis. Data labels you can turn it on. And also you can make it as bold. Value you can make it as bold. In the visual only. Okay. In a visual only we have done. We didn't touch still general. We are still in visual. Y-axis we changed here. X-axis little down will be there. In the values you have to change. Okay. Y-axis values are on the top, but x-axis values after the range tab. Here it will be there.
I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Although I selected the same cluster bar as you said, I can see that your numbers appear on the diagram, like marketing 30 is showing in your first bar on top.
Mm-hmm.
But for me, it's not the case. It shows on the x-axis for me.
Then the problem you have to change here. You see now,
Mhm.
x-axis I have total employees.
Yes. One
Uh-huh.
second. Yeah, x-axis I have total employees.
Mm-hmm.
Y-axis I have department. But my
Okay.
numeric value from 0 to 30,
Mm-hmm.
it's not on those bars as I can see on yours. Like you have a range 0, 10, 20, 30 on x-axis. I don't
Mm-hmm.
have that range. I only have these numbers like 0, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30. So I don't see those
Mm,
numbers next to my bar column there.
don't have in the sense. Okay, let's do one thing. Select total employees and you see here you have whole number.
Uh-huh.
Select total employees, that measure column and check here.
I have whole number only. Yes.
Mm-hmm. And the formula, same.
Yeah. Can I share my screen to show you?
Yeah.
You need some clarity. Just you able to see my screen?
Yeah, correct only. Actually,
Yeah, like,
okay.
but you see the numbers for you, like 30 here in marketing shows here
Mm-hmm.
inside, right? For
Right.
me, the range is from 0 to 30.
Wait,
It
wait,
doesn't
wait.
show here.
Select, no, I'll tell you. Select it. Select this
Okay.
visual.
Mm-hmm.
Go to visualization.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go to the format icon on the top. Yes. Now go down. Data labels. You see it's off. Turn it on.
Oh, okay.
It will
Okay,
come.
cool. But then why one is inside because of this graph range
Yeah.
or something?
Yeah. That's a reason. 30 is the
Oh,
range, right? So it is
okay.
until 30. Yeah.
Okay. And if I want to change these colors, then these
Don't
colors.
don't click on that. If you click, your filter will be applied. You see on the top it changed. Okay. I'll tell you that one. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so now the query come up again here is like I want to change each bar here. See, everything you can do from the format icon only. Okay, suppose select this again, this visual. Now I want to change these bars. You see there is a word name bars, right? Click on this. Now which bar you want to change? Let me select marketing. Okay, I want this marketing to have some other color. Let's take blue. Okay, it's already blue, right? Okay, let me take something else. Okay, something else here. And I will select now. What is the other one? Sales. Now for sales, I'll put white. And for HR, I will take some other color, which will do. We'll take green. Okay. And for IT, I'll take another color. Okay, let's take this one. Oh, same. Okay, let me take this. Okay. And for finance, we'll take some other color. Yeah, fine. Your colors are done. And also you haven't done this option. What you have to do is select this card, format painter, click on format painter and click inside here. I didn't saw your card's color. Maybe if it is black color and this style is there, you can select this, click format painter and click here. The format painter is same like the action how we will do in Excel or Word or PowerPoint. Okay, same action it will do here. And here I can also do one more thing. Um, Properties, total employees by, okay, I'll not do total. I'll put employees by department. Okay, this is fine for me. Subtitle I don't want. Tool tips is off. Okay, right. Then all of you know alt text, right? What is alt text? If by some problem, if this scenario, I mean this diagram is not showing, that time this alt text will work instead of that visual. Okay, let me do one thing. I want something here. Not okay. I don't want this grid lines. Okay, grid lines. If you want, you can provide the grid lines also, but we are not interested. But if you want, you can add it. This grid lines you can do. Slider you can add. Okay, zoom slider. You can see here zoom slider. You can add. Okay, data labels we already have added. Okay, after inside the data labels, you see one title is there. Okay, inside the title, you can see now if you want to show anything here, you can show also, but we are not interested this one. Okay, in details, no background, no, it's okay. That's it. So we can do only one change here in the data labels, turn this on. Okay, turn this on. Subtitle, I don't want spacing. Effects. Okay. So if it is done, we can move to the other diagram. I mean, other visual. It's done, all of you. Done. Okay. I hope you all have done this. Now, what I will do, I will click here in the canvas. I mean, empty space, the worksheet of the space. This time I will take pie chart. Okay. I'm taking the pie chart. I'm just adding a side of this. And remember, we need some space to be left out here. For that, we will adjust it later. Now, for this pie chart, again, I will get here two items that we have to add into this pie chart. One is legend and other one is data labels, right? So legend, you all know what is legends, right? So what I can do in the legend, let's take gender. Okay, let's take gender. Okay. So the next one in the values, I will put here total values. And this style is not what the style I have, right? How to change? Click on the card, which is already available. Click on format painter and again back to the new card. Just click here. Automatically that style is applied. And the procedure of applying the colors and all is same. Okay. So you will click on the visual, this format visual. Okay. So legends, these are legends, gender, male or female, which is showing, those are legends. Okay. And I want to make it color. You can apply the colors. You can see now the colors have been changed. And also here they call as bars, but here they call as slices, right? So what I will do now, I'll go to the slices, and then I will apply the color here. So first I will take male's color, and however that is blue, I think that is fine. I'm okay with this. Now I'll go for the female, then I will take here pink. Okay. So this is for female and this is for male. Okay. So like this, we can modify the colors. And this is fine, I think, right? Blue. Okay, perfect. Just update me if you have done this. And one big thing while designing the dashboard, you have more patience. Okay. So it's a very big thing to have it. So we have to be very, means you have to spend a lot of time to arrange, to make it, beautify it. Okay. It's like a makeup on the sheet, so you have to do it carefully.
Yeah, it not looks that easy what we was thinking before.
Yeah, that's what. If it is mostly, I can say we have only one. We have a Miss Suchita who can do better. I hope because the girls have more patience to design this
Yeah,
type
yeah,
of
yeah.
things.
Very true.
Yeah,
So the guys can give me all cleaned up data. Then I'll apply the makeup.
yeah. So that's it. So each and every point here is important to make it colorful, make it look beautiful, all the things. Even see if I'm taking the cursor, I'm getting the tooltip, right? Department is marketing and total employees are 30. Okay. So these tool tips means small things also very important. Say for example, now I'll go to the tooltip. Okay. I'm in the data labels. So if you go down, you can see now here somewhere. Okay, let me go here. So tooltips. Okay. So here for this tooltips, I want to show gender. Okay. Now first gender, it is showing like let me take here the gender count we will take. Okay, let me take the count gender. Okay, let's say here. See now, count of gender means it is taking count of total genders, but tooltips is something like which is used to provide some info. That's it. Okay. So these things, even the legend. So I didn't added any legend. Suppose you feel like I want to, but why did we didn't added legends? Because we already see this one. Okay, marketing. This is very clear. If I want to add a legend is like this one, gender, male or female. If I want to add it, I can add it. If you add it, you see on the top, I got the legend, right? So we don't want it. So like this means every small point on in this one while working on the formats and visuals, everything is very important. Okay, so these all things are very useful. See now I'm rotating it. Sometimes you feel like no, this one not look good, this one really look good. So whatever you like, how you will like, you can rotate it, you can modify it. So the thing is, once you know how to design the dashboard, it's finished. Your job is done. The only thing, the work which will be left out with us is the data. If we have a person who is working on any data, if the data is coming according to the requirement of the dashboard, then our job is completed. We can work on it. Now, how you feel? You feel like it's easy, right? So in the beginning, you see that when you're doing the formulas, you're doing the different controls, you feel like what will be the final result. So this is the final result. Now you understood all the things, what is transform data, how you will arrange the data items, what are the data types, how you will delete columns, how you will duplicate, how you will rename, how you will prepare the list, how you will prepare parameters, etc., etc., whatever we have, how to create relationship and all. Those all like, background work. So this is the actual work, what you have to do at the end of the data. Okay, I hope you are all still working on it, but I will add one more. You may become busy on that one also. So I will add line chart here as we saw in our dashboard. For this line chart, I have x-axis and y-axis. For the x-axis, I will add here join date. And for the y-axis, I will add the employees, left employees. Means I'm targeting only who are left. If you don't target left, I want to see only active, then you will put active. Okay, that's our choice. So I will select here left employees, so I can take left employees, right? Now, this diagram again doesn't look what is my actual diagram I have, right? I mean my design. So procedure is same. Select any of the data card, format painter, click back again here. So that format will be applied here. And now, okay, please come up onto this screen and you will see here join date, which contains an hierarchy. Okay, which contains an hierarchy. You know what is hierarchy also. We studied before. A hierarchy can have multiple columns. We can put it in hierarchy or we can keep it outside of an hierarchy. But when we drag and drop the hierarchy, we will get all these data items. So from these data items, what is your target? You want to show it by year, you want to show it by month, you want to show it by day or quarter, that we will decide. For this report, we are targeting by month. Okay. So this is by month. Now, okay, you all can come up to this part and then just ping me so that we can continue. If not, I think we are near to finish. So once if you done until here also fine, save this. We will continue from here in the next session, and the next session will play the major role, like how you will save the states. Like generally today in the beginning of the dashboard we got some queries like I don't want to print all the data, I want to print only selected data, I want to print, I want to know only the active employees, but I don't want to click. I mean, I don't want to select. Is there any other option? Directly clicking, I can know. You all can get those options in the next session. Your drill through, button actions, all these things will be the next session, which will be very useful. But until here, whatever you done, you can do that one in a work which I'm giving to you. Don't touch this one. I'm giving you the another one, that is HR analytics dashboard, where you will identify the KPIs and all. I will give you that. I will give you the data, and I will give you the steps also. Please try that. Okay.
So, Mahmood, Sunday
Hmm.
morning, can we get it one thing on the finance dashboard where it will be more on the numbers and
Hmm.
some sort of information related with some formulas or some direct things from the Excel. Means Excel, we will have something ready-made like available data, and we will
Hmm.
bring into the Power BI, and just we will make the graph. First, we will make the black and white graph without any cosmetic. And second, then
Hmm.
we will take with colors and all that to understand what are the difference and how it will be. We know we can improve from
Hmm.
normal to the color one, something
Uh,
like that.
we will see. I'm not sure about that, but I mean, we have the dashboards,
Very,
but
very,
yeah.
very easy one we will try,
Okay.
because in 1 or 2 or 3 lectures we cannot understand the completely in a whole course, but we just
Okay.
want to understand in a minimum way, then we can do the practice uh, on the later stage and we can get it.
Yeah, I see. The logic is simple. If we are speaking about finance, the
Yeah.
numbers will be same. I mean, what we are doing
Yeah,
here,
yeah, yeah, it will be the
will do
same.
same.
Just
But
normal presentation we just
yeah,
want, and we want to
so
bring the file from the Excel.
yeah, this is also same, right? But we are
Yeah, this is
bringing from
almost the same.
Excel.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We will try. First, we will
We will
finish
practice
this.
that one. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
first we'll finish this so that I will complete my target features which I have to explain.
Yeah.
Later, I can go for that one. I will check it out. I will see any example files I have for
Very normal one.
implementing. Yeah,
We
yeah,
not
yeah.
want any advanced one. Very normal one. We will
Um,
take it to
yeah, yeah,
understand
yeah.
the
No
numbers and
issues.
how it will
Mm.
work. Okay,
Yeah, both
done.
will be
Thanks.
same, hopefully. Don't worry. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
will
yeah.
see that one. It's okay. It's okay.
Definite,
No
definite.
issues. Okay. So do one thing. If you all have done until this part, save it on your computers. Okay. I'm saving this one into our labs, and I'm giving the today's date 11. Oh, it's 12, huh? 11/12/2025. Okay. So this is my HR report. Hmm, fine. HR report. Fine. So this is today's file. I'm saving it. So next session, when we are coming, we will be discussing on how you are going to work on the remaining controls. And those are very important. Slicers we have, buttons we have, navigations we have, and the tables we have, and the drill through we have. Okay, those things we will be discussing. Along with that, I will try to bring some financial information or financial dashboard. If not, I will explain you one dashboard on that. Let's see how I can handle it. Okay, we will see that one, right? No problem.
Uh, one couple
Mm,
of queries. One is
okay.
on this bar diagrams, the employees by department, the
Hmm.
cluster bar. If I want to make the numbers bold, not on the x-axis, the ones on the bars, how do we do that?
You can do it. Same thing. You can go to that. That is a data label, right? You select it.
Ah, okay.
Data labels. You have it here. You have a value, and you can make it as bold.
Oh, okay.
This is
Okay.
bold.
The data labels. Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
could you
And we can
explain
increase.
about the tooltips again, please?
A tooltip is like an information. Like for example, when I'm hovering, like for example, I'm hovering here. What I got? I'm hovering here. I got only total employees, right?
No, I mean,
Okay.
if I want to remove and I don't want tooltips to be seen or shown.
But I think that will be there by default. But we can
Oh,
customize them. We can customize them. It's not
oh.
like we can remove them. See now this is off still, correct?
Mm-mm, mm-hmm,
I can
mm-hmm.
customize it, but I cannot remove it completely because it is already off mode. if I go here, you see there is no field for total employees, right? You can see now it's coming 100,
Mm.
but before also it is showing total employees. So
Mhm.
it is something like, by default, some of the options are already available there. Even if turn it off, now there is no
Mhm.
action. I can move it
Mhm.
again. You can see now. Yeah. So let me take it. Okay, now I'm not seeing this. Yeah, I turned it off. I think this is off now. Let me check again, general tooltips. If I turn it on and I will take here to text background. I'll change the color to black, text color to value color to white. Okay, let's see now. Total employees. No, it's not coming. Okay, so this is something like, default, by default, these values are applied here. This is colored applied. Label. Okay, you can do the some exploration on this one. Okay, if anything you can have, you can check it out. But I'm
Okay.
turning it off. I'm not using it. Okay, fine. So these are all tool tips, but we can customize. We can customize. See, when I select here, you will get the customization. But for this, there is no customization. That is not showing anything to me. Okay. But here you have a customizations which you can use for your tools. Like let's say we have anything like department.
Yeah, because on the
Okay, let's
cluster bar, when I'm hovering my mouse, despite me seeing the data as is on the cluster bar, I can still see a tooltip, which I want to eliminate.
if I go here, total employees, you mean,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, exactly. So if I don't want this
Okay,
tooltip, because that is the
let's
information.
let's do one thing. So what we can do, uh, you can turn it off directly, and now you can check it. Okay, it might work now. Yeah, do that one. Turn it off and check once.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that works. Yeah.
Okay, and when we are customizing, I can say here something like region. If I put region, uh, as we have turned off, it's not working. Okay, that's fine. But for this, we don't have action to organize it. Okay, fine. So you can just explore these things for the item which I'm sending. I'll send
Sure.
on your WhatsApp groups. Please go through it and check it up. Okay. And
Mhm.
what you can do on that one, I will send you the steps also. Try to work on that. Okay. Fine. So I'm stopping here. We will see in the next session on Sunday. Okay. I think
Yeah.
remaining
Same.
all are busy, I think today. No one is speaking.
No, no, today is not very good day actually.
No, actually,
Yeah, please, you
Busy,
the
can.
busy learning how to do makeup.